Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Huntro.com reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this site or not. Apart from that guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this site, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. And the people from United States are curious to know about this website. So guys, stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the of homepage of this particular website, and it is an online shopping store that deals with new upgrade expandable Fox privacy fence, and you can also buy 5 products and you will get free shipping over these products. And apart from that, they have also mentioned a note on the top of the web page which is free shipping on order over $49. So guys, are you looking for some unique products from an online store? So this is one of the stores where you can find this beautiful expandable Fox privacy fence at cost effective price. And if you want to visit the details of this particular product, then you need to click on full details and you will get the entire information related to this product. Now, talking about the payment information, so they have provided the payment method section, and at the bottom of the web page, they have also mentioned the icons of payment, including PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, JCB, Discover, etc. So this was the payment information, guys. Now coming to the shipping policy of the site, you need to click on shipping and delivery option. So this is the shipping page, and here they have provided that the um, shipping duration will be 7 to 12 working days, guys, and they have also provided the amount, that is shipping cost over $60, so which is $5.99. So they have provided the entire information. You can read for your knowledge and convenience. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, and let's talk about those important points on which we can judge the site as a scam or legit website. So this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But talking about the domain information, it was created on 4th of February 2021. It means that the site is a newly launched website, guys. Apart from that, we have found this site is only registered for 1 year only. Thus, the site can't be trusted on the basis of its domain age only. Now coming to the company's information, let's check out the About Us page. So this is the About Us page. Limited information is there. No info is available regarding business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is a negative sign, guys. And this makes the site quite suspicious as well. On the other hand, when it comes to the contact details, they have mentioned email address which matches with the domain name, which is a positive sign. But they have provided the suspicious contact details, guys, including official address, and no contact number is available on this page, which is red high alert. So when it comes to the social media presence, guys, the site has no social media presence at all, which is again a negative sign, and this shows that the website may be a scam website. When it comes to the return policy of the site, so you will check out the return or refund policy by visiting this page, and they have provided the information related to conditions of return and exchange. They have mentioned within 30 days from customer received the product. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And talking about the Huntro.com reviews, no reviews are available about the site on the internet and on the official website, but yes, we have found few evaluations that claim the site a possible scam, guys. So yes, the trust index score of this site is 1%, which is really very bad. Apart from that, the Alexa rank is low. The site has low traffic as well and is located in a high risk country as well. So there are so many loopholes that defines its suspiciousness. And yes, in the final conclusion, we would say the website appears to be a scam site, and based on the entire loopholes, we can say we do not recommend you to buy anything from this site, as this is a suspicious store. So guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.